Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So, y'all, I want to share with you something serious that I don't see a lot of gardeners talk about. And it's real. It really can be a danger when it comes to gardening. So, I want you to stick around till the end, because before I start talking about the dangers of the garden, I do want to show you some of the things that I have gotten in as far as seeds that I'm going to be exploring in the garden next year or next season. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, y'all, so I love getting seeds, and this is just like the latest that I've gotten in. I've gotten some more, but I've put them up, and I'm just really trying to do some garden planning for next year. Things are getting cooler, so things are slowing down. So I still have a few more things that I need to do, but it's at a good pace, where it's not, I have to hurry up and I have to get it done. I still want to mark out phase 2 of the garden. I did get some tulips planted the other day that I had bought maybe about a month ago. So slowly but surely we're getting things going. And like I told y'all, when you're new and you're just starting out, you have to give yourself some grace, because I know what I want the big picture to look like, but it seems like it's just not happening quick enough. But I know that it will come, and I'm going to be so excited. Like, I'm excited for what's growing right now in the garden. But I got some seeds the other day, and let me tell y'all, I have talked on a lot of videos about some of my favorite seed companies for various reasons. Now, I love Baker Creek. So comment below if you've ordered from Baker Creek before. I like them because they always send you out free seeds, and then I've had great germination too. That really means a lot to me when it comes to ordering seeds, the germination of the germinate. Now, let me back up a little bit, because there are some plants that may not have a good germination rate overall, but I try to read that when I'm ordering the seeds. There's some seeds that they may send you, like it'll off the bat say 60% germination rate or 30% germination rate. So at least I know what I'm getting into, but I always look for a great germination rate, and then I always love free seeds to try. So that's like 2 of the reasons why I like Baker Creek. It's getting a little chilly out here, so let me show you. I'm not gonna show y'all everything, because I'm just like, okay, but let me show you some of the things that I am trying. Well, first of all, let me show you the free. So this particular email that I got, they were giving out 2 free packs of seeds with a purchase, and I think it was like over $10, but then I ordered a little bit more, so I think I got maybe 1, 2. Okay, so I got four free seeds. So the first one is I think this is the tall, and I think I've ordered this before, but I just haven't grown it. This is a hot pepper, and on the back, y'all, it says vicious heat but a fruity flavor. So I'm quite sure I'll grow that for somebody, but it won't be me, because I don't like hot the jalapeno is about that, and that may be a little bit too hot for me. One of the other ones, so they told you 2 of the free seeds that you would be getting, and then one of them, they a lot of times they're just surprises, which when it comes to seeds, I like to see what they put in there as a surprise. But I know this was one of the free seeds right here, the Bonnie Best. And I don't know what the other one was. Oh yeah, the tennis ball. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna find it in here before I show you what I ordered. Okay, just hold on. It's 2, because I looked at one and I was like, I didn't order that, but I actually looked at the receipt on here, and it was like part of the free one. So you got some free carrots. I definitely will be planting those in the garden. pretty soon. And I want to show y'all the tennis ball lettuce. So this is like the tennis ball lettuce. That was a free seed as well. And I think that was all. No, actually, y'all, let me tell you. Okay, it was another one. One more, because this was the one that I said, oh, no, I didn't order that. So they sent this Chinese broccoli, and I'll definitely try that too. I think that'll be great in stir fries. So out of my order, they advertised maybe three free seeds, I think. Something like that. Y'all, I don't want to start lying, but I got a total of 5 packs of free seeds with my orders. So we got 5 total. So now let me just show you a few of the things that I do want to try this season and next season as well. You know, pink, purple, white flowers are my absolute favorite. And I saw these, something about the color on the computer when I'm looking at these plants, like I can just picture them in my garden. So we got this one, and then also I'm just giving y'all some highlights. I went to an Asian farmer's market here locally, and I picked up like an Asian melon. It was about, and I don't know if this was it or not. This is Japanese tiger melon, but at the farmer's market that I went to, it was this melon, a little bit bigger than a baseball. And I've never seen it. And I was like, I just want to try it. And it was really good. So I started thinking about, oh, let me grow some Japanese melon. But I don't think this is the variety, but that particular melon, that was really good. So we got that. And then also, I wanted to try some new types of spinach. So this is a Japanese type spinach right here that we're going to try. And then this is another Japanese spinach that we're going to try. It says Swiss chard, so it looks like it has like the stems of the Swiss chard, maybe like when you compare the two. So we're going to try those as well. And then some of these are just like repeats of some of the favorite things that I like to grow in the garden. And then some of them are new. I really got captivated by this picture right here. So we're going to grow some more carrots. And I've told y'all the story. So I'll do a quick recap real quick. I just started liking and eating carrots probably maybe like 5 years ago. Like my kids used to always like carrots. So one year I said, let me just grow some carrots. And I've never been a fan of carrots because the grocery store carrots, I was like, I don't see what the big deal is. It doesn't taste good. But y'all, when I grew my own and I roasted them, I was like, okay, we adding carrots back to the household now. So ever since then, I've been growing carrots because they're great. They are great. Never knew it from the grocery store. That's why you got to grow your own so you can see. I've grown amaranth before, but I just look at the stems on these. I just thought, oh, those would be so. A lot of times, y'all, I look out in the garden and I just look at all of the beautiful plants. And I'm like, oh, sometimes they be so good you don't want to eat them, but I pick them still. I still pick them. And then I just got some flowers, y'all. Let me show you one of the new ones that I'm going to try since we get a lot of shade on the front porch. So I thought, and this is more like a shade type plant. So I just thought that this would be good. Now this one I'm going to actually have to, what they call cold stratify. It has to have a period of cold, and then you like plant it out. So basically I'm going to simulate the winter by putting it in some, sometimes depending when it says cold stratify, I'll put it in the freezer, or sometimes I'll take some sand, put the seeds in, and then put it in the refrigerator for like 4 to 6 weeks. And then I'll plant it. So that's what I'm going to have to do for these. And I'm going to have to be particularly careful because you only got 15 seeds, y'all. So I got to make sure I do this right. So that is like some of the highlights. Now I still got, a few other flowers that I've grown, like nasturtium. I'll just put them all up like this, the straw flower. So we got some of that, but this is okay, so we finna talk about something serious when it comes to the dangers in the garden. And I'm going to show y'all exactly what I'm talking about, because when you start gardening, this is something that you need to know. And this is something that can happen. It happens to me all the time. But I'm okay with it. And I accept the danger. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, y'all. So here's the thing. I have recently moved, and we're still getting some mail forwarded, and then a lot of places don't have my new address. It's been even like my magazine subscriptions, I'm just like, where are they at? But that's neither here nor there. So what I'm about to show you when it comes to the dangers of the garden, I haven't even gotten over half of what I normally get this time of the year. So this is what I'm talking about, y'all. This is dangerous. And you may be saying, what? What? Let me tell you. These seed catalogs are dangerous. When you go to the store and see seed packages, they're dangerous. And the reason why I say they're dangerous is because I'm just going to tell you from my experience. During the fall and winter months, like when it gets cold, the garden is kind of sleeping, and you're dreaming of next season. I used to get so many catalogs in, and I felt like with some of my favorite seed companies that I like, I felt like I just had to patronize them because, what are y'all going to do with all these seeds? Somebody needs to plant them. And oftentimes in December and January, I will get some herbal tea. I will get my cozy socks on and a blanket, and I will just curl up and go through these catalogs and just start marking. But here's where the danger comes in at. And I want y'all to leave a comment and let me know if you're the same, because maybe not everyone is the same. My dilemma is I'm imagining these things. They look so beautiful. They look beautiful on the screen when I order it. But the question is, where you going to plant all of this? Where you going to plant it? Now, it is true that I start a lot of seeds. I give seeds to family and friends. But already, like this is the Baker Creek catalog too. Now, you can pre-order these. You can order them, but I actually pre-ordered this. So every year when it comes out, this is like what I look at. But then I start getting all the other, seed catalogs in as well. And I've already started like putting tabs on different pages and seeds that I want to start. Now, what I like about this is I like reading the origin. So Baker Creek, like they have things that you will not find at your local grocery store. You're not going to find them. And they have the origin of a lot of these seeds, how it got started, how they got it, but they also have like recipes in here too. Like this is 530 pages this year, and they just have, like they said, they have seeds, they have recipes, they tell you about the different trials that they do, but on some of the pages, they'll have like a whole, I'm trying to find it while I'm talking to y'all. They'll have like a whole insert about, that particular, like this. Like they'll have like some history or something that I do enjoy reading about it. So I just like to curl up and just go through this, but I'm steady tagging pages. And the same here, like now they have new varieties, flowers, vegetables, herbs for 2024. And I just like, what can I put new in the garden? Because one of the things that I do try to do, y'all, is I try to at least grow one or two things new that I have not grown before. And some of those things have become like my favorite. Like the callaloo that I grow in the summertime, not only is it pretty, but I absolutely love it. And it's like a spinach alternative for the summer. So I have never had that before. Happened to see it in a catalog and said, hey, let me try that. So I do like ordering things that I can't find at the grocery store, and I do like trying things that I have not heard of before. But this can be dangerous, y'all. I'm telling you, as a gardener, as you continue to grow, this can be these catalogs. Online, going to stores, especially in the spring when they're putting those seeds, the seed displays out, and just think you've been in the house all winter long, and here it is, it's ready to grow again. So just be aware that once you start growing, you will want to continue to expand. That's number one. You're going to want to continue to expand. And then I'm telling you, this right here, these right here can be so dangerous. So again, leave a comment below. I don't even want to show y'all the seeds that I have ordered this year, just this year alone. We're not talking about last year or the year before. We're talking about this year. Another danger, while I'm thinking about it before I get off, is when they put the seeds on sale. So oftentimes they'll have like an end of the year clearance, or the seeds from this year that they're putting on sale because they're trying to get rid of. Now, there are some seeds I do shy away from because of the what it is. Like, for example, onions. I know that the viability, I think that's the word I'm looking for, is not that long. But there's some leafy greens, beans that can last, for 2, 3 or more years that they'll put on sale, and I will get them. So that's another danger too, is the sale of the seeds. Burpee just had, not too long ago, I got an order here where they had all of their seeds 50% off. Like, why are y'all doing this to me? You know that is where I have a problem. So I don't even want to show y'all yet the seeds that I have ordered just this year. And y'all know, when I stayed in the apartment before we moved to this home, like, that was all I was doing, because I was dreaming of my garden. I was dreaming of everything I grow. And I will tell you, that's not the way I teach, y'all. That's not the way I teach. I always say, make a plan of what you want to grow and then start going off of that. But I do, in my defense, y'all, I do start a lot of plants for people, and I do give away a lot of seeds as well. Hopefully soon, when we finally reach 10,000, we can have a giveaway. And I think seeds are going to be a part of that. What do y'all think? Y'all put it in the comments below. But again, put it in the comments if you buy seeds, lots of seeds. Let me know. I'm hoping I'm not the only one, but I just feel like that is a danger for me. But it's a good one. I think some days I say it's nothing wrong with buying seeds, but sometimes I can go a little bit overboard. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching. And until the next video, bye-bye.